Hello students, in our previous class we have studied about the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. We have studied about the physical base of the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Today we will study about climate, natural vegetation, wildlife and life of the people of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. First is climate. With a subtropical to tropical location, the valley experiences a monsoon type of climate and seasonal reversal of winds. So, the Ganga Brahmaputra basin experiences tropical and subtropical climate. It has monsoon type of climate. Hot, dry summer and cool, dry winters make the climate suitable for agriculture. A well-defined rainy season due to southwest monsoon wind bring heavy rainfall, ensuring a regularly supply of water. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin receives rainfall from southwest monsoon. Our rainfall is heaviest in the Delta region and Brahmaputra valley and decreases westward up the Ganga valley. In the deltaic region there is heavy rainfall. As we move westward towards the Ganga valley, rainfall also starts decreasing. Floods are common during the monsoon season. Most of the tributaries of river Ganga overflow, causing large-scale destruction of life and property. Next is natural vegetation. Tropical monsoon deciduous forests are natural to this region, comprising trees like sal, teak and mahua which shed their leaves in dry winter, and bamboos which are common in Brahmaputra valley. In Ganga Brahmaputra valley, deciduous forests are found with trees like teak, sal and mahua. In high altitudes of Himalaya, coniferous forests are found. The deltaic tracts are occupied by Sundari trees, which is also the origin of the name Sundarban. In the deltaic region, Sundarban lies. This is also the largest mangrove forest in the world and is UNESCO World Heritage Site. The flora in this region, flora means plants, in this region has adapted itself to saline and tidal conditions of the delta area. Next is wildlife. It is mostly concentrated in the Sundarban region and parts of the Brahmaputra valley. In some animals which are found here like elephant, rhinoceros, tiger, deer, monkey and wide variety of fish. Fish like rohu, ketla and hilsa etc. Along with crocodile and alligators are found here. So these are the animals which are found. The Royal Bengal tiger is an inhabitant of the Sundarban forest, and the one-horned rhino is only found in Brahmaputra plain. The floodplains of Brahmaputra are marked by a large number of wetlands. Wetlands means the land which is wet throughout the year because of presence as it lies near to ocean or seas, which serve as a unique habitat for a great number of plants and animals. Wildlife has, however, diminished in most parts of the valley due to rising population and diminishing forest cover.